we will be real COVID warriors, the next level, I can say. We will be next level COVID warriors, and wish to see everyone as a COVID warrior. And I'm also proud that I'm also a COVID warrior, spreading my ideas everywhere to everyone as possible, to bring a healthy people, healthy. See, parents also will lose the depressions when they start following these policies. So parents, educators will be happy, parents will be happy, and if this, our society will be happy, then slowly our country will be happy. We will be a strong, healthy India. We feel more prouder. Our name is already everywhere in the world. We are Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We are everywhere in the world. So thank you so much, Ms. Srikalam. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Dr. Shyama. I really loved your energy and the way, going ahead with the flow of content. It is not easy for all. It is not easy for all. Thank you for joining us.
And any doubts, anything, sir?
Yes.
Anything?
Now we are open for Q&A. If you have any doubts or unanswered questions, you can feel free to ask Dr. Shyama.
Yeah, anything you didn't understand in my explanation, which you felt you missed it, or anything, I'm ready to. So I hope today everybody will take some realization with you. See, the beauty of the webinar is not what I have spoken here. It is what you're carrying with you. So I hope we have GGG, all educators. GGG means God-given gift. Oh. We all have this God-given gift to influence others, to motivate the future of our country, that is children. And inspire ourselves also. Everybody needs that influence. We are all influencers. We learn from each other. We pass the positive energy to each other. So let's do that today as a motto. Let's realize, and at least we'll start with small tasks. It will create an ocean indeed, definitely.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shyama. So no hand rises and no questions in the chat box. There is a feedback from Haribabu Raghav sir. Fantastic session, full of energy. Thank you, sir. Very nice and very useful session by Mr. Sudhakar, who is working as a principal for one of the corporate schools from Chittoor. Thank you, Sudhakar. So we have somebody from a school by name ICRA, if I'm pronouncing it right. Yeah, ICRA school. The principal, I believe. Saida Aisha. Aisha, ma'am, are you still there? Or again you got lost your connection? Today, many people are encountering some technical issues. Some they are not able to get into the meeting, and some they are not able to continuously stay back with us. Maybe because of the heavy rains in Telugu states here. Maybe the same across the country. Okay, there are two more messages. Ramkrishna sir, very good session. Thank you. Thank you very much, Ramkrishna sir. Okay, positive feedback pouring in the chat box. Very good seminar by Sanjay Vidhu. Really productive and enthusiastic session by Shriya Bhattacharya. She is from West Bengal. She's working for one of the senior secondary CBSE schools, and I mean the best CBSE school in Calcutta. Dakshayani Ramchandran ma'am, great interaction. I think Dakshayani ma'am, I got confused with Dakshayani Khanna and Dakshayani Ramchandran. But anyways, I'm so happy that you are working for the cause, because very few people work for the cause, ma'am. Not all. Definitely, we will have one session, maybe next Saturday or but one Saturday, where we will let us start taking an initiative, igniting the light, or igniting an idea in our school leaders, school teachers, to work for the cause. Okay, Krishna Dev, fantastic session. Krishna into absolutely wonderful. Thank you all for your wonderful feedback. Jyoti, wonderful session, ma'am. Thank you. Any questions here, please? Any questions on the session, or would you like to talk anything on the session on this topic? Dr. Shama, may I request you to stop sharing the screen so that we'll all come on one screen.
Yeah, I'm stopping.
Sessions have triggered. There is one more message from Chandra AV, Mr. Chandra AV. Session has triggered few action points which I will pursue in our NGO. Wonderful, sir. Krishnendu Shrikala ma'am better have a continuity on this topic like clues. Dr. Shama should only react on this message.
What's that, Ms. Shrikala?
It's in the chat box. It's in the chat box. Better to have a continuity on this topic like clues. Krishnendu sir, will you please explain us what you wrote in the session? You want the session by Dr. Shama more, or you want the sessions more on topics? If so, on which topic? Okay. On how to handle the kids to raise their EQ. There is a request, Shama, Dr. Shama, from our side. Can you please take some more sessions on improvising the EQ?
Definitely, Ms. Shrikala, it's my privilege. I would love to do that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So anything else anybody would like to talk here, or we'll call it a day?
Yeah, madam, I'll take 1 minute.
Yes, sir, please, over to you.
Dr. Shama, your session was really wonderful. Now there are not too many points which we can put onto this. I think sir was trying to say that if this can be continued in a format that those points are there, so those points explanation further, that how IQ, how EQ, that is the, I think he is trying to ask. Now from my side, I have small points like, see, I heard you saying coordinate. This is the first time in my life I have heard this word pronounced this way. So I think, I believe that we people don't pronounce or pitch our things properly on some words which are very important in our life for the purpose of to whom we are speaking. That is from the audience perspective. So I can very well say coordinate. So no, between us, it is fine. I mean, we will understand what are we saying. But when we talk to the students and if we say coordinate, it looks like what are we trying to say? Okay, this is the point we are trying to say. And you have repeated one sentence around 5 times. Let us upgrade our skills. This I want to take it little further. More repetition on this.
Now your phone, you will buy your phone, right? Today you buy your phone, and next day iPhone 7, tomorrow iPhone 9. You want to upgrade because of new skills. You will stay back there only? No, right? You want to upgrade because new.
I have another perspective on this. See, we are talking about COVID, corona warriors, and teachers have really done their things well, and everybody is appreciating. We don't need anybody's certificate, but we know that people have been acknowledging as to how teachers have come out of this, and they have been trying to give more than what they were. So many things we are doing. So let us come out and try to contribute. See, salary is one. Salary is one. Salary is fine. But I am saying, come out and try to contribute at Dakshani madam is doing. See, what do we get out of this? My neighbor keeps throwing garbage from 4th floor every day. I cannot do anything with that fellow. But what I can do, that let me do now. Correct. So I cannot fight with him. So that way, I really appreciate that you have repeated that sentence. Let us try to upgrade our skills, upgrade ourselves. And little bit, I remember Dakshani madam, I remember my professor in 1992 who was teaching us when I was doing my MPhil, teaching methods. She started entering into the class, dancing and saying a poem, and the participants were teachers. All participants were all teachers, lecturers, senior guys, almost of her age. I was a little younger. I was around 32. And she was around 45 those days. And she is saying, Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Like that. See, and then everybody is looking at her and she told, this is how you should enter into your class. While entering, your entry must be thappa. Like that it should be. Everybody is looking at you and trying to listen. Further what? Jack and Jill, you can't teach. You don't need to teach Jack and Jill to lecturers, right?
Exactly, sir. Exactly. You said we have to come out of comfort zone. There was a king, and he had somebody presented him with the two eagles. The most precious birds he had given. One was flying, the other one was not flying. The king was so scared. What happened? These are so precious gifts for me. What should I do now? Then he called very specialists who are expertise in that about the birds, and they also gave up. One was flying very happily. Other one, no, I will not fly. It was stubborn. Then the king was like, what should I do now? What should I do? Then he said, let me bring a farmer, somebody who knows the language of these birds. Somebody from the village. So he called one person from the village. One expert came and they said, okay, sir, I will take care. The king. Then the king went off. Next day, that person came to the king and he said, sir, done. The bird is flying. He said, bird flying? How comes? So faster. What you did? He said, nothing I did, sir. I just cut the branch. Means the bird was in its comfort zone. You said comfort zone. So that's the reason I'm giving you this example. The bird was in comfort zone. Till you remove that comfort zone, the children will not learn. So
exactly. Wonderful point. Wonderful point.
So we have to create situations for them. We have to bring the situations which are really useful for their future. We are only like, sir said, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. No.
And children, after learning all, they don't know where to apply it. And what is the use of learning it?
Exactly. Now we should take ourselves. At least now, upgrading the skills.
Yes, yes. The session went on so wonderful. It was for 1 hour and we are reaching 1.5 hours. Thank you, Dr. Shyama. And I sincerely thank you everyone for holding back the session till last minute. My heartfelt appreciations to the real warriors what we are talking about today. The teachers, the school principals, and also the school owners, some of the school owners who are regularly paying salaries for their teachers, thinking of, not troubling them. We are, thinking that only teachers are the warriors during this pandemic. I say there are many, many, many warriors. If you're talking about school and college education, including the drivers, including the ayahs who were taking care of children throughout the years, are also to be considered as warriors. We will also have to next session when it positively happens on COVID warriors of school and college education. Certainly I'll come up with a list of school owners who are regularly till date paying salaries to the teachers and their staff, so that they will not being troubled in this pandemic.
What they are doing, these people who are paying the salaries, they are not letting teachers face epidemic. to catch teachers' test epidemic, which will lead to inefficiency and less productiveness. So they are trying to help in that.
Wonderful, wonderful. There are also certain school owners who are regularly collecting the fees and not paying the salaries to the staff. But let us focus on the schools and school owners who are really struggling hard, working hard to generate the funds and share them with the teachers. Chalo, ek saal gaya to profit gaya to no problem. Let me sell this property and pay salaries for the teachers regularly. There are many school owners. So next session, I'm going to come up with a list of school owners and principals who are supporting the teachers, considering them as COVID warriors. Thank you all for joining us today.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Madam Shama ma'am and Shrikala madam as well. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Good night, everyone. Thank you.
Good night, ma'am.
Thanks for joining us. Thank you, Raga sir. Thank you, Dakshayani ma'am. Thank you, Krishnadev.
What will we have on next Saturday?
I will let you know. I will definitely let you know.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night. Thank you, Dr. Shafiq. Thank you, Shobha. Thank you, Mr. Sharma, for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Rupa. Thank you, GV. I'm not sure who is it. I think it's Prasad. Yes.
Yeah,
Thank you, Mr. Prasad, for joining us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Anup. Thank you, Katari Jyoti, for joining us. I'll be the last person to leave the session. Thank you, Dr. Shama. I will be in constant touch with you. I really liked your energy and flow of the content and your knowledge in such an young age. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Anup. Thank you, Mr. Sharma. Good night, everyone.
Good night, ma'am. Shrikala ma'am, good night.
Good night, Rupa. So I'm calling it a day. Thank you all.